Just my eyebrow lifted. No offense. Today I'm going to show you how to have an instant facelift, and I will be using for my face this time, yes, cacao salva, and it looks like this is a homemade cacao butter, like a, yes, it's a butter, but it is mixed. It's cacao and there's jujube and there's blueberry, beeswax, avocado, vitamin E. You have to use, I'm gonna be using this to my face. You can also use virgin olive oil or rose oil, love it, but this time I'm gonna be using this one. Okay. Go here and follow up this one. Okay, we will be doing this first. Okay, here. You can make it 10 times. Okay. And this one, and then follow up this. Okay. Try to be gentle. Now, focus. So you can see it's a little bit lifted here. Just my eyebrow lifted. No offense. Okay, arrange the eyebrow. So as you can see here, it's a little bit lifted, and this one is still not. You can see the eyes still a little bit saggy. Still saggy. You can see the eyes, and you can see here also. Here is a little bit lifted now. Here it's saggy, so we have to fix this too. So we're gonna do it on the next part. Okay. The same. You have to do this first. Okay, slide and up, slide. Try to do this. Outward motion. Okay, again. So that is just how I'm having an instant lift on my face. I'm doing it, or you can also try it, and you can do it in the morning and at night. Hi guys, by the way, if you noticed, I am using this matte video this time. Yeah, I think it's really good. Like, well, I probably have to purchase it. So this is just how I am doing to my face. This is my face routine. And the best thing, if you're gonna do it, I try to do it in the night after you're putting or taking out all your makeups and everything. It's gonna be so nice, relaxing, and your face is gonna be free from makeup, so which is really good. And be confident because you are beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Love yourself because you are beautiful. Hi.